This tutorial will cover importing new song lists into the music database. We need to start by logging into the system. Once we're logged in, we want to go to the music library page. And we'll see that we have an option to import from CSV directly into the system. So what we need to do is we need to get a CSV file ready. Now I have the last version that I received of the song title list, which is what we're going to work from. Now it's very important that this list is clean. I noticed at the bottom of this file there's a number of blank records and formatting. We actually need to make sure that we clean those out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of that. And I'm just going to remove any formatting and any contents from that. That leaves us just at the end of our last. This formatting at the bottom will cause some problems later on. We'll actually clean it up in the text file. So now we want to save this as, in this case we want to save it as what's called a CSV, or a comma delimited file. Now I'm going to put CSV at the end of the file name so that I can tell that it's slightly different. It tells you that it's going to lose some formatting. That's just fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open that file up with just a text editor, just to make sure that it's nice and clean, because anything that we have that's in there that shouldn't be will cause some problems. So we'll see this is the format that it takes. It gives us some fairly crazy looking files, but we'll see that here's a problem. Down at the bottom we've got all these commas. Now this is because we had formatting in our Excel spreadsheet that we didn't really want. And so the system's not quite sure how to handle that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the end of this file. And I'm just in Notepad right now. And I'm just going to take all this out of there. Now you'll see that there's quite a bit of that. So I'm going to go right to the bottom and I'm just going to highlight that all and I'm going to delete it. And that takes us just right to the end of our file. And we can save that now. Now it's not going to let us save over that, so we're going to have to save it as a slightly different file name. Song title, and I'm just going to call it cleaned. Alright, now we're going to go here and we're going to go to import from CSV. We're going to find that clean file that we created. We're going to open that up. Now what we want to do is we actually want to drop the existing data because our new list is complete. It has all the songs that we want to have in it. It's not that we're just updating, we're actually going to overwrite it. We're going to import CSV file. And it'll take several seconds, may take a minute or two even for the system to actually go through, delete everything that's in there, and then re-import the new song lists. And when we're done, we have our newly updated file. or listing. And that's all there is to importing new song databases.